Okay, right now the car is running. It's been like 7 miles afterwards, 27 minutes later. And this is the noise I was talking about. So I had to correct myself. The noise is not like a rattle. It's this noise, if you hear it. You see it? You hear it? It's that thumping. And it changes as I'm driving. If I'm at a higher RPM, of course it's a little faster. And if I'm at a lower RPM, or if I'm idling, it's a little lower. And that's the thing. I'm not sure what it is, but I keep thinking it's the timing chain. Yeah, I'm not sure. This is the video.